Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we will be assembling this Lancia, Artena, and Coloniale. I think that's how it's pronounced. This is the Italian car from the World War II era. By the way, it's available at miniaturetanks.com. This kit comes in a few parts. So the first you need is your sprue cutters. And let's go ahead and cut away at these spruers. So take your sprue cutters and cut away like this. I'm working with a 15mm model, but from Miniature Tanks Company, it's available on mini scales. Just go to the listing page and you can find the scales and the prices. So take that plastic there and cut away like that. There you go. Just cut that away. So now that piece should be good. Next, this piece actually has no things to cut. Next is these wheel well here. So just cut away like this. Just cutting that. And right here. I purposely am making these videos in 15mm scale, the 1/100th scale, because assembling the kits in this more tiny scale, it will show you how to assemble it in the tiny scales, but then if you happen to buy it in a larger scale, it'll just be easier because the pieces are bigger. So you can see I'm just cutting away at all these pieces for the tires here. Just cutting away. Step by step. And that one. There you go. So now, the next step, these sprue cutters we can put away for now. Let's take the two halves of the car, let's put it together. You can use the flat surface you're working on as kind of a guide, or just go ahead and put a little glue in the middle there, and then just put the two pieces together, making sure that they're lining up well. Okay, trying again. Yeah. Just making sure everything's lining up well. And there's the car, the body of the car. Now for this line here, for here it's okay because that's where the door and the window are. Underneath it's probably not so bad because people don't see that much. But on the top, there's that line. You can take some hobby putty and put that in there and then sand it down if you wish. Now let's take and put these pieces on. So for this, just put a little bit of glue. Like that, and then carefully put this there. All right, so you can see how that went there. That's how it should go. So now, of course, we do the other side. So carefully put that down. Alright, so that's how that should be looking. Up next, of course, is we're going to start putting down the wheels. So go ahead and put some glue on this axle piece here, and then take a wheel and put it there. And in like manner, put that there. Put a wheel there, making sure the axle's going in the middle of the wheel. But as it happens to be, the wheels, if they touch the wheel wells here, and they're in that middle anyway. So putting these wheels on is fairly simple. So let's just put those there. And go like that. Now you can use the surface of the table and make sure that the wheels are going in the correct spot. Alright, so for the next step of this car, technically this car could be done. you could be happy with the way it is. But the way they were, they had spare tire areas. So you just want to put some glue on the side like that, the side of the car, and then just slide in this spare tire there. And you can see how it will go into that wheel well area. And for the other side as well. There you go. And there you have it. The completed Italian World War II car, available at miniaturetankscompany.com. Thank you so much for watching.